Yeah, I'm back at it once again. Welcome back to the dungeon. So, I reconfigured this just a little bit here. I reduced the resistor value on one of the grids here to this coil, so it seems to or this tube. So I do get a little bit more output, and I added a staccato circuit, which is right here, which is basically a diag. It was actually an SCR, not a thyristor. It'll get a bit confused. This is sort of new for me to use these types of things. Yeah, I'll probably put the well, pretty much the web page where I got this from a guy from Russia who builds quite a few interesting items, and this is something that he came up with, and I more or less replicated it. Just making sure my filament voltage is on still. Yeah. I was going to put this the Steve Ward staccato circuit on here, but I don't know if it's working or not. This red LED is usually supposed to be blinking, and it's not. And I'm pretty sure it was working before, but I guess I got to check it now. So I wanted to use this along with a MOSFET, and just see if it would do anything. So now I got to troubleshoot that and see why it's not working. But anyway, I'll show you guys what this is like with this on here. It's quite interesting. I'll put it all the way here. I gotta be a bit careful where my fingers are at, because that's the power cord going in right there. So we'll just put it down to there. Should come on. Hello. Well, you know, come on. It's coming, it's on. Oh, there it goes. A little bit better output. I think that's pretty cool for a little vacuum tube Tesla coil. I don't know about you guys. That tube runs much happier now with something like that. So not bad little tabletop Tesla coil. I got to find some other components for the staccato circuit if I'm going to be using this. It needs 400 volt capacitors. This one's a 275, and this one's like a 385. I don't believe they get warm or anything like that. So, but yeah, I'd rather have a 400 volt, or actually 600 volt. I would think. These are all pulse capacitors rated at 1000 volts. Good old Wimmas. That's what I'm using right now. But this is roughly the same circuit per the diagram. The resistor's a little bit different, and the grid leak resistor's a bit different. That's about it, though. I mean, having a lower value resistor in the grid leak circuit will give you more output, but it puts more strain on the tube. So it might be something I try to play with, but that's only if I'm going to be running it in staccato mode. Yeah, so that's that. That's a wrap. That's 2 videos for today, and I'm just waiting on my my enclosure to finish drying. I had to paint it. You guys will see. Anyway, there you go. Cheers, guys.